Hi everybody, this is Kristen from Lion Learners East Midlands and this is Blizzard. Now, Lion Learners offer animal handling workshops for schools, parties, care homes, events, which means ordinarily Blizzard and I and some of his animal friends are normally out and about visiting people so that they can meet and handle the animals. But obviously at the moment, just like everybody else, we are staying home to help protect the NHS and to save lives as well. And we are delighted this weekend to be part of the Wicked Haven Lockdown Festival. And over the course of the weekend, I'm going to introduce you to some of my animal friends and set you some challenges or give you some activities that you might want to have a go at to help keep yourself busy. Bye for now, enjoy the festival and stay safe.